Parts of speech. Let's discuss 8 different parts of speech. Can you name any of them? Adjective, adverb, interjection, conjunction, noun, preposition, pronoun, verb. 1. Adjective. It describes or modifies a noun. For example, purple, floppy, big. 2. Adverb. It describes an adjective, ends in ly. For example, ghostly, eerily, spookier. 3. Interjection. It's a word or phrase to show emotion. For example, boo, eek, a. 4. Conjunction. It's a word that connects clauses. For example, but and or. 5. Noun. Person, place, thing, or idea. For example, Bhangar Fort, porch, window, India. 6. Preposition. It shows relationship like when and where. For example, in, on, through. 7. Pronoun. It replaces a noun. For example, she, we, they, you. 8. Verb. Expresses action or being. For example, drink, poison, haunt. Now it's time for an activity. Match the word to the part of speech. To do this activity, you can take a screenshot of it or pause the video and then complete this. Here are new words to match. Take your time and complete this. Here's the answer key. You can check your answers with this.